Hey there, guys. What's up? I don't know what I should say in this video, but well, it's just I just like to film this video to do something more productive than fapping and playing video games or derping around. It's just part of the range of things I tend to do in order to alleviate my depression. And since I went to bed last night quite depressed, and yet I got up today afternoon quite depressed too. I don't know, to which reason I should attribute to this symptom. Its symptoms are quite complicated, coupled with plenty of other nasty shite. And I don't even, when depression hits me, I don't even bother to talk to people. I don't even bother to greet people. But I don't know if the disappearance of one of my beloved audiences, duality reality has something to do with this particular instance of depression outburst. Perhaps I just have to learn to live with depression for the rest of my life. And I see, no other opportunity for me to thrive in China, or to even outside China, because all I see is nothing but more and more blue, more and more darkness and vanity of earthly life I have to endure. And yes, I have been contemplating ending my own life over and over again, but I just don't see how this could end. How this could end, decently. All I see, the sole ending for this saddening story of my life is more sadness. Well, I just don't know, man. I don't know if I should, talk to Sigma about my own problems. Christ. And I don't even, I also noticed some more demoralizing events, which includes, but are not limited to, somehow YouTube seemed to have removed some of my subscribers without sending me any notices. Perhaps my channel has caught some unwanted attention from either from YouTube or from other parties or entities who just don't quite like MGTOW or red pills, or contents that relate to MGTOWs and red pills. It's but I don't reckon my channel has ever acquired any sort of fame yet. because it only has a little bit more than 200 subscribers, and thanks to I should say, thanks to my own stupidity, it has now fewer than 250 subscribers. So somehow the number of people who subscribe to my channel has decreased to or has been fluctuating between 255 to 200. Sorry, between 245 to 250 sharp. That's quite weird. Maybe my life will end in China. Maybe my life may end in China at any given time, and I just after I saw and video of execution by shooting. Well, for those who are interested, I will post. I might post the link on my Patreon page if you feel so interested, so eager to check it out. But I warn you, I give you my fair warning here. It's gonna shock you. It's gonna shock you for certain. For those who don't yet know, who don't yet have a fair understanding of what death actually means to you. Yeah, but I still have my own work to do. If you guys can excuse me. Yeah, it's just I just don't know what ruined my day. Or who ruined my day. I just don't know, whom to whom I should cast the blame. To myself, or to the things I did, or never mind. I'll try to push myself to make more book reading vids after this, at least tonight, so long as I can get back on my feet a little bit. And you can pretty much see how depressed I have become today, right? But in any regard, thank you very much for watching and listening. I hope you have a better day, a much better day or better night than I am having now, than what I'm having now. Thankfully, my grandma, she's fairly well. She's still with me. I just can't imagine, or at least I should say I dare not imagine how the hell am I gonna survive the odds after she is gone. Maybe struggles mean so little at this point, at this moment. But I will try my best to endure to the end. Take care. Bye bye. Cheers. Good night. Bye for now.